Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I'll bring you a news. Why it doesn't have a make a bsod sound of in virtual box. Listen, there's no setup. Look, it should be sound, but if I have my PC, I will reinstall the. If I was, because my drive C is broken, if I was correct from that, I will upload the video and delete the old one. If it doesn't, so I might be installing my Windows and install many different Windows. So yeah, so I'm gonna fix it because I forgot to do a system audio. So it will be fixed. Goodbye. It will be fixed.